So over here you can see that I have a plane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto the edge and select this edge. I'm going to press E, and then that allows me to drag this out over here onto the top just like this. And I can also go around and then change this out. I'm going to select this, press E on my keyboard, and then this is what you have. So I can pull this out onto the top as well. And then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now what I can do is, this is what I have. So I'm just going to go around right here. Now let's say, for example, I want to merge these 2 points together. So I actually extruded both of these edges individually. So if I want to, let's say, for example, merge it together, I can go around over here onto this, select this right here, and then move them around together. So what happens is that they do not actually merge together at the moment. But if I want them to merge, I can use the Automerge feature so that I don't have to worry about manually merging everything else. So I'm going to go around onto the top right here on the options, and then I can go to Automerge, and then here you can see that I can set the threshold for it to Automerge. So I'm going to go around right here, and let's say I'm going to set the threshold to around 0.005 millimeter right here. So if I were to drag this onto the top and then keep this together, let's say for instance, then they will Automerge right here onto this point. So if I were to, let's say for example, keep these together right here, just like this, and they will now merge together. So if I were to go around right here, this is what I have. So I'm just going to go around onto Automerge. Let me increase this around to 0.05 right here. So now what will happen is that they become 1 point. So if they were to meet together, now you can see that they are 1 point. So if I were to click on this, this is a single point now. Similarly, what I can do is I can go around over here onto this area, press E, drag it onto the top right here, and then I can leave around. So I can move this around right here. Let's say, for example, go onto the top, onto the right, just like this. And then I'm just going to go around. Let's say I'm just going to go around right here from the side, on the top right here, just like this. And there you go. They are merged together, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here onto the vertex, you can see that the Automerge feature has actually made it into one single face. And that is how you can use the Automerge feature to merge out 2 points together when they are in a certain distance, so that it becomes easy to model out custom things inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.